Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This time this wig is from Julia Hair. This hair is a body wave 613 wig. She does have a 13x6 lace frontal with a 150 density, and she is 20 inches. So she does come with 3 combs and adjustable straps. So today I am coloring my 613 hair to ash blonde. So what you will need is a bowl to mix the color, gloves, 4 boxes of Revlon Color Silk in the number 60 dark ash blonde, the Shimmer Light shampoo and conditioner, and a dye brush. I started with using 2 boxes, and once I was done, I created the other mixtures from the other 2 boxes. Now, I didn't have pins at the time to hold my wig in place, so I dyed it like this. Obviously, it's better to have leverage on your wig by parting the wig in sections rather than doing what I'm doing. So make sure you have pins, a mannequin head, and part the hair as you dye it evenly. You will see why I say to do that coming up. As you're coloring, comb through the hair to spread the dye over the wig evenly. You should use a paddle brush though. I really thought I was prepared. Psych, this process gave me so much anxiety. I was coloring the hair for 20 minutes and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. But just keep checking on the hair regardless of time. You don't want to prematurely wash off the color or keep it on too long. So watch your wig, sis. I actually got this tutorial from Sophiology, and y'all, she did that. So I am washing the color off, and after that I will use my shampoo to tone down the color of the wig. Make sure you lather this shampoo up before applying it to the wig. It is very purple. After that I use the conditioner, which is very purple, and I let it sit for 10 minutes and I wash it off. I had my bestest friends, Dania and Deanna, over so they could watch me make a mess. Y'all can follow them on their social medias. Dania is a multifaceted model in Chicago, and Deanna is my spiritual advisor. I'm dead serious, y'all. She be keeping me so zen. She is currently in school to be an esthetician and will be graduating in November. And plus, they're Tauruses like me, so yeah, we top tier. Argue with your mammy. So you guys see that I am trying to blow dry the wig, and blow drying made the texture of this wig very nasty and rough. So please let the hair air dry. This was the best thing I could have done. She was way softer the next day. 613 is a very sensitive color. This wig does shed. So next, I didn't have to pluck the hairline at all. I just added barrel curls, which was my first time doing it. And I think it came out pretty good, minus my fingers being sore from burning them. So make sure you pin the curls up to hold the curls. Now it's time to cut the lace. I had to cut the extra ear flaps off so it can fit on my head. I colored my lace with Maybelline's 355 Coconut Powder Foundation. I used toner to remove the excess makeup on my hairline. I thought I was going to cut baby hairs, but I decided not to. So I know y'all see what I see. This hair does not really hold a curl as good. I did use hairspray, but maybe not enough. Make sure you are using extra hairspray when pinning the curls up and even when you let them down. So the pros with this wig. This wig took color really well. And the texture of this wig is really good. The wig feels so natural and it is not silky. And the hairline was beautiful. Now the cons with this wig, the hair really does not hold curls that well, and 613 wigs does have a habit of having a lot of flyaways. The cap was a little big on me, but I just used bobby pins and crossed my adjustable straps to help it fit on my head. Thank y'all so much for watching this very detailed video. Thank you, Julia Hair, for sending me this hair. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. I'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Peace.